Hello, guys. So I am back again, and we are going to be uploading another video, of course. But however, it's only gonna be like a few minutes long because I got some stars, but it's not a lot, so I have to hurry up. And don't mind the background music. I mean sounds because my cousin's playing a nice in the forest, so yeah. Anyway, let's start. I really don't want to go to school. Yeah, I don't want to. Hey, you know what? What? You could just sneak out of here with our bags and pretend we're at school. But instead, we're skipping. Oh my god, that's genius. Put on your school clothes. And then when we come back, we look like we're coming back from school. Oh my god, you're a genius. Where, where is my school outfit? I really need to hurry up before mom and dad wakes up. Okay, hold on. Where the heck is mom? Okay, we need to pack up now. Alright, jeez. Okay. I don't need my phone, I think. Let me just put my bag and put in the stuff that I need. My phone, of course, and then that's done. Alright, I gotta go now. Alright, come on. And then when you need to go home, you just ask and that's all. Oh my god, hold on. I do not know why, but it's quite laggy. Alright, let's go. Okay, never mind. I'ma just pay for everything since I don't really have more money. Okay, jeez. Where should we skip? Let's go to the concert. Oh my god, yes. I also don't know what is going on here. Like why the I also don't know why the arms are like that. I usually don't know. So don't ask me guys. Alyssa, good morning. Good morning. Can you hear this? I'm just here for the concert. Alright. Come on in. Thanks. You just turn down your like volume for this part because the music is really loud, so I'm not sure your ears will hurt. Hi. What are you here for? The concert. Yep. 2 tickets, please. Of course. come on. Alright. Come on now, come on. Let's go. Okay, guys, turn down your music for this part. They're all gone. So I'm sorry. But anyway, let me just turn down the music because it's loud as you. Anyway, I'm just going to try and find them. Where are they? Where the flip are they? Oh, yep. Nope. Is it? Nope. Where the cat's eyes go? Is she one of them? I literally have no idea. But I don't think so. Where are they? Oh my god. You know what? Guys, just pretend Cat's Eye's here. Oh wait, I think Cat's Eye is like literally just went away a long time ago. And guys, one of the guys are like right here. So I literally don't care. And I'm not gonna change him back. Because I like him being the freaking brother. Now where's the other guy? Alright, here. Come on, bro. Dance like you mean it. Yep, I am. Anyway, let's go. Heck yeah. Really like this? I can't. Okay guys, I'm so sorry if this one was like really short. But like my storage is like running out. So this is gonna be the end of this video. So bye bye and stay awesome. But I'm not sure if I'm still gonna post or not in the future. So yeah, bye.